Welcome back to another quick guide today. We'll walk you through how to download high quality wallpapers for mobile. Here are the steps to help you download high quality wallpapers for your mobile using your mobile device. First, unlock your mobile phone. Then open the Google Play Store by tapping the Play Store icon on your home screen or app drawer. Search for wallpapers apps. Type keywords like 4K wallpapers, HD wallpapers, or wallpaper apps in the search bar. Here's what I prefer to use: the Wallpapers Craft, Zedge, Backdrops, 4K wallpapers, HD backgrounds. Then tap on your chosen app. Tap Install to download the app and wait for it to finish installing. Open the Wallpaper app. Launch the app by tapping Open, then hit the X button. Here, you can choose up to 8 categories. Then once you choose your categories, hit Let's Go. Browse or search for wallpapers. On the home page, go to the 4K section. Choose a wallpaper you like. Tap to preview it in full screen. Set it as your wallpaper. Tap on the phone icon, then hit the Set Wallpaper. Set as home screen or lock screen wallpaper. Most apps offer a Set as Wallpaper option for home screen or lock screen. Choose the word to set it as. So I choose home screen for now. And that's it. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.